Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadien ka Snem ba ka National Green Tribunal ka Khang ke Jaiñtia ba Dewïong haus Snem arajar khatsa haga khanyo truk leber arajar posan lalong pat gesngi ka pinkemen ginong khayi ba ginong belati Dewïong Hadien ba umintri rang ba ka jelau konrat ke sangma ulepli ka parti Dewïong kat kum ka juk start sayan ka bening kong jang ka jela ha is Jaiñtia district ba ka ba hab ban but berking bha ki kendon belabo banyadaru ya ka mei mariang Ukon rak sang mau lepli ketika parti Dewïong kat kum kejuk start sayan dah kebersyukuran lingba ke video conference. Kejingok pli ketika parti Dewïong kat kum kejuk start sayan kelong Hadien kejingok soi kisah sekular hapedeng ke sorkar pedeng pat ki laingut kinong ti par hajela Meghalaya hau kela lingkot arajar phosan kebla pli lat ke jela Meghalaya ban pin Biang ke Jaiñtia Dewïong kat kum ki kendon balabu. Kasorkar Meghalaya dikejinga trelang bat ka controller of coal kasorkar India baga Coal India Limited kum ka third party glasoiru ikisa sekolah daga benta ka Jaiñtia Dewïong ha West Khasi Hills bad ha East Jaiñtia Hills lapin tibru bikidang don shosho sakat artli ki application balapan naga benta benti Dewïong kat kum gujuk start sayan kebrang aban yo jimenjur.
We are so happy and has created a history in Meghalaya. As to say, especially our people in East Jaiñtia Hills, we are so much dependent on the coal and the livelihood of our people. So, I like to say that because of this government, we are able to see the vision of Meghalaya and to bring Meghalaya in 2028 as a 10 billion state economy.
I'm sure you remember the moment when the NJT had imposed a ban on coal mining, especially the rat hole mining procedures. And I'm sure you remember those moments when suddenly there was like a dark cloud all over us. And so many lives were affected, so many families were affected, people who depended directly or indirectly on the coal sector went through great financial hardship. And not that I'm trying to recall or remind you of that moment, but I think it is important to look back and remember what we went through. And the silver lining for us to be able to be here today, to actually see a ray of hope, to be able to bring back things to normalcy, to be able to once again give the necessary livelihood to our people. I think this is what it is all about. Very, very satisfying moment for me today, that we are able to inaugurate the first scientific mine in the state of Meghalaya. And a big congratulations to the mine owners, to the applicants, to all the officials, to all the members of the team who have made this particular scientific mining a reality. Friends, this might take a few days for it to sink in, but this is the moment that we have all been waiting for. And the scientific mining starts this after a decade of challenges and difficulties and ups and downs. We are finally here.